ABeam Cloud. As digital technology advances, business opportunities become global, demanding real-time decision-making. The ABeam Cloud Portal supports real-time decision-making and is accessible at any time, from anywhere, using any device. Through an intuitive, easy-to-understand screen interface, ABeam Cloud Portal offers a diverse lineup of services that support enterprise operations and continuous access to the data you need. The ABeam Cloud Portal menu is enriched daily with the latest services, carefully selected from around the world, providing easy access to the latest technologies and applications. The latest news is updated daily with trending business management topics, global events, and insights from consultants. It all adds up to an opportunity that can't be missed. Doing business in real time. The ABeam Cloud Portal.
One of the services offered by ABeam Cloud is the Global Sales and Manufacturing Template. This template is a software as service, so-called SaaS type of service that can be used on platforms provided by various cloud vendors. This template was created by integrating the knowledge we have accumulated through consulting in a variety of industries. By providing a combination of cloud services and templates, we can help Japanese companies that are becoming increasingly globalized to optimize their local operations while reducing their initial investments. Our template covers a wide range of industries, including auto parts, consumer goods, food, chemicals, high-tech, trading, and engineering, and covers the core business processes of these companies. In addition, it is designed to be used around the world and supports the legal requirements of many countries. Each country's legal requirements are based on official documents, and changes are made to accommodate with the new requirements. And this solution is made up of S/4HANA Cloud, Private Edition, and RISE offerings. This template consists of three main elements. The first is a set of industry standard business processes based on the industry framework, which reflects the knowledge we have accumulated in various projects. The second is a pre-implemented system which includes more than 100 add-on programs to improve usability as well as preset parameters to execute the defined business processes. The third is a large number of documents required for system implementation, such as definition sheet, function spec, etc. By utilizing the business processes, systems, and documents defined in the template described in the above, the implementation time can be significantly reduced. A sales company can be ready in 16 weeks and a manufacturing company in 24 weeks at a minimum.